we have Tide, which is going to act for our activator. Next we have shaving gel and moisturizer. We also have 2 sticks, popsicle sticks, which are going to mix the slime and a bowl to make the slime in.
And then this is a bowl to mix the slime.
Yeah. And
And
any color of your choice.
we have blue ingredients, green ingredients, yellow ingredients, and then purple ingredients. Yay!
So the very first step is to pour the glue into the bowl. How much slime you want depends on how much glue you take. So now let's put the Tide. Tide is the main ingredient of the slime. It acts like an activator.
Now we have to choose the color. This one.
It can be any color of your choice. Now let's stir it.
I will choose red to mix it. Whoa!
Is it turning slime?
It's turning slime.
Oh, nice.
Let me do it.
Okay.
Now it's your turn. Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it.
Now let's put the shaving cream. Mix it, Aadya.
I'm mixing it.
And we're also going to put lotion.
Now let's mix it.
Now let's knead it with our hands.
It's really scratchy.
It's sticking to my hand, so that's why I'm going to add more moisturizer. That's enough. Now we're gonna mix it.
Let me do it. Let me do it.
Okay.
Let me do it.
You do it. Is it stretchy?
Yes. Oops. Ow.
It's so sticky.
Ow, ow, ow. Ow.
What happened?
It's still hurting.
Let me see. Oh no, you got it stuck. Wow, Aadya, look at the slime. It's just like a spider web. It's very sticky. It's all over the table. Come on, Aadya, let's clean it up.
Okay. I cannot.
Now let's clean the table. You made it so messy, Aadya.
Not the.
Oh no, a spider web came flying. It's a little bit sticky, guys. I think we need to put more Tide. Let me try it. Let me try it now.
Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try for you.
Now let's mix it. Is it stretchy?
Yes.
Wow, it's super stretchy. It's very cool, right?
Yes.
Let me try it.
Put it on the pin. Put it on.
Is it soft?
I
want it. Okay, let's split it in half and let's give you another color. So which color do you want?
I want purple.
Okay, now let's split it in half and make purple for you. Guys, I wonder which color makes purple.
Red.
It's red?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's mix it up. Aadya, look! It's transforming. I think you're right. It does make purple. Now let's knead it. What color is this? Oh, it's purple. Is that a ducky? Is that a ducky?
Yes. The ducky is on your hand.
Oh no, it's a ducky! My hands are red. There's a red duck. A purple duck.
Yes, let's do catchy. I made a dragon. It's a dragon. Who farted?
Maybe it's you.
Not me.
Maybe it's the slime.
No, you did it.
No, I didn't do it.
You did it all day.
Hey, I'm not farting. Maybe it's the slime. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this slime video. Please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Bye!